Good morning students, how are you? Fine. Today we will start our exercise 9.4. Our first question is, a survey of 120 students was done to find which they prefer to do in their free time. This is the table which gives the data, some preferred activities, number of the students. Some students prefer playing. How many students are there who prefer playing? 45 students. कुछ लोग हैं जिन्हें गेम खेलना पसंद है, ऐसे 45 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. Some students prefer reading. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को रीडिंग पसंद है, वो हैं 30 students. Some students like watching TV. They are 20. Some students like listening music. They are 10. Some students like painting. They are 15. So अलग अलग पर्सन, अलग अलग स्टूडेंट्स की अलग अलग हॉबीज होती हैं. तो इनकी हॉबीज को कलेक्ट करके एक डाटा बनाया गया है एंड इन दिस डेटा, उस डेटा के बेस पर एक टेबल बनाई गई है. नाउ वी हैव टू गिव द आंसर्स बेस्ड ऑन दिस टेबल, दिस डेटा. नाउ ड्रॉ ए बार ग्राफ. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ ए बार ग्राफ टू इलस्ट्रेट द अबाउट डेटा. इस डेटा को जो इलस्ट्रेट करे, इसके लिए बार ग्राफ बनाना. ओके, नाउ व्हाट स्केल शुड वी यूज? वी हैव टू यूज द स्केल ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ 5 स्टूडेंट इज इक्वल टू 1 यूनिट. 1 यूनिट इज इक्वल टू 5 स्टूडेंट. इट मींस जो हम मार्क करते हैं वो 1 मार्क इज शुड बी इक्वल टू 5, अनदर मार्क 10, देन 15 एंड सो ऑन. Which activity is preferred by most of the student other than playing? Playing तो सबको पता है, सबसे ज्यादा preferred playing है. After that playing, which game is preferred most? Which activity is preferred most? So our first aim is to make the bar graph. Okay. Now let us make a bar graph. You should use your scales and other necessary equipments, just like pencil, erasers, to make each and every diagrams. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and then so on. Each unit is consist of 5 students. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and then 45. Now what are the activities? Playing. Next activity is reading book. Next activity is watching TV. Next activity is listening music. Next activity is painting. Now, what is the frequency of playing activity? Frequency of the playing activity is 45. This is the frequency actually. What do you mean by the frequency? It is the most important part of the bar graph. It is the number of data in a particular event, in a particular interval or event. So playing event के लिए कितनी हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स हैं 45, तो ये इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी. So now we have to draw a line, a bar of length 45. Now the next one, reading books. Reading books is about 30 students like reading books. It's about 30 students who like reading books. And the next one is watching TV. How many students watching TV? Like watching TV? 20 students. So we have to make a line for 20 students. Next one, 10 students like listening music. Only 10 students like listening music. Well, we must have to try to make this equal width of each data. Next one is painting. It's about 15 students. So it is about 45, 30, 20, 10 and then 15. So by analyzing this graph, we are going to answer these questions. So first question is done. We have to make a bar graph and we had already made it. Now, what is this? Which activity is preferred most after playing? Playing के बाद most important is reading. So second का आंसर होगा the reading books is next most important, most preferred activity after playing. Okay, so this is your question number 1 of exercise 9.4. Now come to question number 2. Next question number 2. The number of mathematics books sold by the shopkeeper on 6 consecutive days is shown below. So this table represents the number of the books sold in a week in 6 days. So here are the days representing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Sunday to Friday there are 6 days. And the number of the books sold are 65, 40, 30, 50, 20 and 70. एक शॉपकीपर ने 6 डेज के अंदर जो बुक्स सोल्ड की उसका एक टेबल गिवन है. संडे को 65 बुक्स, मंडे को 40 and then so on. Now we have to make a bar graph, draw a bar graph to represent the above information, choosing the scale of your choice. So we can prefer the scaling of 10 or 5. We can prefer the scaling of 10 or 5. If we are preferring the 5, then its length will be more. If you are prefer the scaling of 10, and we can also find their half to represent the 5. So we are going to choose the scaling of 10. Here, one horizontal bar and one vertical bar and one horizontal bar. This is vertical bar. Now this is horizontal bar. Now let us consider 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and then 70. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. If you want to represent somehow 70, so this portion is this one. If we are going to represent 65, then 65 should be in between 70 and 60, in the middle portion of 60 and 70. It's just a half of 60 and 70. Okay. Now, here are the days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So now we have to make these bars to represent each and every appropriately. On the Monday, it's 40. It's a 65. On the Monday, it represented by 40. Number of the books were sold 40. So number of books sold on Tuesday, it's a 30. Number of books sold on Wednesday is 50. So it is 40, it is 30 and it is now 50. Now the number of books sold on Thursday, it is 20. Now the number of the books sold on Friday, it is 70. So this is the bar graph. Here this vertical line represent number of books sold on 6 consecutive days from Sunday to Friday. Here are the days. These are number of books. Okay, so this is question number 2. And what is the scale we choose? Scale care 1 unit scale, 1 unit length is equal to 10 books sold. Number of books कितनी थी? 10 books. 10 books ही लिख दिया. Only number of books 10 is the length of unit scale. Now in question number 3, given table shows number of bicycle manufactured in a company during 1998 to 2002. 1998 से लेकर 2002 तक कंपनी ने कितनी बाइसिकल मैन्युफैक्चर की ईयर वाइज टेबल में गिवन है. In year 1998, company has manufactured 800 bicycles. In 1999, 600 bicycles were manufactured. In 2000, 900 bicycles were manufactured. 2001, 1100 bicycles were manufactured, and in 2002, 1200 bicycles were manufactured. Now we have to illustrate the data using the bar graph. हमें bar graph बनाना है using this table. Choose a scale of your choice. हमें अपने हिसाब से स्केलिंग करनी है इसकी. अब स्केलिंग कैसे करें? It may be 100, एक यूनिट स्केल 100 भी ले सकते हैं बाइसिकल्स, एक यूनिट को हम 200 भी ले सकते हैं. So we will prefer one scale is equal to 200 bicycles. Now first of all, let us make this bar graph. So this represent years here, and here should be frequency, the number of bicycle manufactured So 200, we choose the scale 1 unit length, 200 students. So it is equal to 200, that is 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200. Now if we want to choose 1100, it should be lie in between them. If we want to choose 900, it should be lie in between them, exactly in between them. So now 1998, what are the years? 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, and then so on. So no, not so on. Up to 2002 तक ये डाटा चाहिए. So in 1998, 800 bicycle were sold. So 800 is marked here. So we have to make a vertical line, vertical bar, whose height is 800. So this is 800. So 1999, 600 bicycles were sold. 2000, 1999, 600 bicycles were sold, and in 2000, 900 bicycles were sold. Try to make the bars of equal width. Try to make it. Now it is of 900. Next one, in 2001. In 2001, 1100 bicycles were sold. In 2002, 1200 bicycles were sold. So now we have to answer these questions. We have made a bar graph, scaling it, and now we have to answer the questions. In which year were maximum number of bicycle manufactured in 2002. In 2002, maximum number of bicycles were manufactured. In which year one minimum number of bicycles were manufactured? In which year? It is 1999. In 1999. Okay, so this is your question number 3. Now come to question number 4. Next, question number 4. In the question number 4, the number of the persons in the various age group in a town is given in the table. This table is given. इसमें अलग अलग एज ग्रुप के पर्सन्स हैं, उसमें कितने पर्सन इस एज ग्रुप में आते हैं, कितने पर्सन इस एज ग्रुप में आते हैं, इसका एक चार्ट बना हुआ है, टेबल बनी हुई है. एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस टेबल ड्रॉ द बार ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. उसको बार ग्राफ बनाओ और इस इंफॉर्मेशन को उस बार ग्राफ में रिप्रेजेंट कीजिए. क्लियर? नाउ यूज द स्केल ऑफ 1 यूनिट इज इक्वल टू 20,000. एक यूनिट की स्केल को 20,000 लेना है. 1 to 4, 1 से 14 ईयर तक, 1 to 14 ईयर तक के जो बच्चे हैं उनकी पॉपुलेशन है 2 लाख. 15 to 29 ईयर एज के जो पर्सन हैं उनकी एज में कितने पर्सन है हमारे पास? 1,60,000. आफ्टर दैट एज ग्रुप ऑफ 30 to 44 ईयर ओल्ड्स वाले जो पर्सन है वो हैं 1,20,000. 45 से 59 ईयर वाले जो पर्सन है उनकी भी एज कितनी है? 1,20,000. 60 to 74 ईयर्स ओल्ड वाले पर्सन है वो है 80,000. एंड 75 एंड अबव एज वाले जो पर्सन है वो है 40,000 ओनली. नाउ वी हैव टू मेक द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मेक द बार ग्राफ. नाउ व्हाट स्केल वी हैव यूज्ड हियर? स्केल, इसमें बोला गया है कि 1 यूनिट को आपको 20,000 लेना है. सो 1 यूनिट इज इक्वल टू 20,000. क्लियर? सो दिस इज इट रिप्रेजेंट 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 200, 220. Now what does it mean? This means 1 lakh. It represents 1 lakh. It represents 1 lakh. This represents 2 lakh. Now we have to draw some age groups 1 to 14. Then 15 to 29, 30 to 44, 45 to 59, 60 to 74, and then 75 and above. Now 1 to 14 years वाले कितने बच्चे हैं हमारे पास? 2 lakhs. So we have to use the scaling here, the 2 lakhs. Now 15 to 29, there are 1,60,000. Mark somewhere. This is 2 lakh, 1,60,000. Next one, 30 to 44. Again, 30 to 44. It's 1,20,000.
Now 45 to 59. It's again 1,20,000. One lakh 20,000. Now the next one, 60 to 74, 80,000. 80,000. 75 and above एज वाले जो पर्सन है दे आर 40,000. So now this is the bar graph which represent the given table. Now we have to answer these questions. Which two group has same population? 30 to 44 and 45 to 59 age group person have same population. Okay, next part number B में all the person in the age group 60 and above are senior citizens. So how many senior citizens are there? So senior citizens 60 to 74 80,000 persons हैं और 75 and above वाले 40,000. तो दोनों को टोटल करते हैं तो 1,20,000. So we can write 1,20,000 pupils person are senior citizens. Okay, so this is your question number 4. Now your exercise 9.4 is complete. Not only 9.1, your chapter 9 is complete. Complete your homework as soon as possible and send it to me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.